So now, yeah, the lifting and the new screws, it all helped, but it did not completely solve the issue. So we're gonna put a little sandpaper shim behind there, and I believe that sandpaper will keep it from collapsing on himself. On himself. Now we just gotta screw through it. That's all. That's all we gotta do. Let's get our screwing ready. Put them together there. I wonder. Do we? There she is. I'm gonna grab this thing just for the funds. Okay.
What are you?
I'm grabbing all of these things right here. I'm gonna try to lift up a little bit. I'll try. I mean, it's pretty much nared, but I can't tell if that's. Yeah, it might be a little low, but we'll see. I'm gonna give it a little lift. It probably ain't gonna do much, cause I got it screwed pretty good. All right, let's do this. Right here somewhere. Oh no. Nope, wrong. Oh, okay. Well, that certainly brought it out a little bit, just like we was hoping. No, what? Okay, there. Oh, goodness. That's another one. And then, that's not gonna work. This got the wrong heat on it, Mama. Yeah. You tell me, yeah. Oh, the wrong head, I guess. Hey, no, let's pick it up again. Not gonna work, I told you. There we go. And there. And there. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it again. You want to? I'm gonna do it. Here we go. Just did a scrubby little bit, just a little. I don't think that needs anything. So let me. I want you to. Well, the pants. Yeah. Come on, mark right and it stops. So. Oh, yeah. Well. Okay. Well, shoot.
Scrubbing on the bottom?
Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Make it probably. If it were gonna work from the hinge, it would need to come up, I think, another 1/8 of an inch, and that's just not gonna happen. This is hitting right about here. I'm gonna say right, and then right even right here, halfway. The line girl is starting to hit. So what if? I don't know. I just have to feel it out. And yeah.
You did what?
Huh?
What'd you do?
Raised it up without taking the hinges off. see my little trick bar over there. Put my foot over there. Put the press right there. Lift it up for me. With very little effort. Just the weight of my old clunky 11. And then we had these guys to hold it in position, right? Because these screws here are long enough, certainly, but the head is too small, so it goes right through the hinge. I had to use a fender washer. And once I had it screwed in with the fender washer, just like this right here, we were able to take the old raggedy screws out, an assortment of number 3 heads with bald shaft the last little bit so they would spin. They were freely spinning like Ace Frehley. Now, we had this guy too. This was a member of this trifecta. One of those doesn't belong. Well, really all of them, so. Now, looks like I gotta take those out. Looks like number 3. Yes, it is, and this is a number 2. I know that the shit rocker screw is a number 2. I'll get a couple of these. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Take this. Take him and replace him with him. Okay, needed number 3 and number 2. We're gonna have 3 little bits. To carry around with me. 3 little bits. I don't know what that was. Oh, that's a little stumpy right now. No. And now. Come here, buddy. Okay. This comes off with the number 2. Oh, 3 different bits for me and you. There we go. And that'll go right there. Now I gotta put this one back on. New screw, torque. At least they all match. I know it doesn't go, but it holds the door. It'll be fine. Let's give her a test. Did it solve the problem? I hope so. That's not gonna show us. Okay, testing. 1, 2. Now slow test. Okay. Looks like I'm at the bottom of the top. And let's see. Oh, it looks like it's the bottom because, well, I'm going to have Martha come by and let me stand on her back. The old Martha Stewart ladder. No. Only time will tell, you know. If it lasts the test of time. Was it really wrong? I don't know. Vice Grip Garage told me that. You know? can get my anything up under this door hinge. What if, because that ain't working too good, maybe I can, shimmy shake it from the back side. Doggone, this thing is not going to cooperate. Oh, come on now, get on in there. All
What are you
right.
trying to do?
I'm trying to get my 51 in my hand, I guess. Trying to find Peepaw's knife. I don't know. Probably gonna break it. I'm sorry, Peepaw. Oh, gosh, there it is. It's coming. Don't break Peepaw's knife. He was really a fine fellow.
Oh,
So now, I can maybe peel on it a little bit, and line it up a little too. I'm
and you
hoping,
gonna keep that there?
I'm hoping it's gonna make an indention, and I'll be able to see right where I need to slice it. So I'm gonna line it up to the back, yeah. And then, that looks real nice. I'm gonna put that hinge on top of it. I'm about to make some racket, Miss Lou Neal. I'm gonna hit it with my hammer. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Okay, and see if this will make it a little indention in there for me. I don't know. Oh, I hope so. 'Cause that'll make it easy. Okay, I just gotta pull on it again a little bit and get it back there. Oh, and look at there.
What's that for?
That's for me to cut with my scissor. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna
I
be.
don't see any indention.
You don't see, look with your eyeballs, not through the camera, okay? Nice. Yeah. Now let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's perfect. You see how it's rounded,
Oh, yeah.
like the hinge on both sides. Get our little scissor.
I didn't see any scissors.
Oh, I know I got some scissors somewhere, and if I don't, I'll cut it with a pipe cutter. I don't think it'll work. Or, you know who's been on my mind lately is Peepaw. Peepaw's knife. Probably gonna take care of it. And what I can do
Let's look
is
in for some scissors.
open it up. There's the curve right there. How does that work? I see. So, there's a curve and there's a curve and there's a curve. So, I can just cut it with a knife. And everything will be good fine. Lord, if I had this tiny piece of plywood. That's all a feller needs. I saw one out here. Thank you, dog. Let me get this little piece of plywood. Down in the bed, down in the bed.